Hello students, this is Nigna Verma again with you with lesson number 4 of Alien Hand, that is the cop and the anthem. Students, have you found yourself in a situation in which what happened was the opposite of what you expected? कभी आपके साथ ऐसी सिचुएशन आई है जिसमें जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया है और जो हुआ है वो जस्ट उसके उल्टा है? कभी एग्जाम में ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने सोचा कि आपके मार्क्स बहुत कम आएंगे, लेकिन रिजल्ट आने पर आप पाते हैं कि आप टॉप कर गए क्लास में. If this happened with you also, then you are also familiar with the irony of the situation. Irony means कि जो व्यंग है इस लेसन में किया गया उससे आप बिल्कुल familiar हैं. There are so many such situations in this chapter. This chapter is about a person whose name was Soapy, and he was a homeless and jobless man. His home is only a seat in the park. So, what situation he was facing? Let us see in this chapter. Soapy moved restlessly on his seat in Madison Square. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Soapy was in the Madison Square, and he was on the seat in the park, and because he was thinking something. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming, because he was very much worried about, because the winter is going to come and he didn't have any house, so he had to plan to save himself from cold wind. So these signs are there which show that the winter is going to come. What are the signs? Birds begin to fly south, people want new warm coats, and Soapy moves restlessly on his seat in the park. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. If you see these signs, it means that the winter is going to come. What are the signs? The birds begin to fly south. Fly south means to the warm place. People want new warm coats. They begin to wear new warm coats. And one more sign is there, that a dead leaf fell at Soapy's feet. Means that dead leaves begin to fall. These are the signs which show that winter is coming. A dead leaf fell at Soapy's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. It was a special sign that winter is coming. It was a time for all who lived in Madison Square to prepare. The people who lived in Madison Square, it is a time for the people who live there. They have to plan that how they can save themselves from the cold wind. Soapy's mind now realized that fact. Soapy was also thinking, and he was realizing that the winter is going to come, so he has to find a place where he could save himself from cold wind. The time had come. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather. He had to find a place where he could save himself from the cold weather, and therefore he moved restlessly on his seat. So he was thinking and he was planning something, and so he was moving restlessly on his seat in the park. Soapy's hopes for the winter were not very high. He was not a rich person, so his hopes were also not very high. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship. He was not thinking of southern skies. He was not planning, he was not thinking to sail away on a ship. He was not thinking to go to the southern skies or Bay of Naples, because he was not a rich man. What did he want? 3 months in the prison of Black Whales Island was what he wanted. Only what he wanted that he should be put in the Black Whales Island for 3 months. 3 महीने के लिए उसको ब्लैक वेल्स आइलैंड जेल में, प्रिजन में डाल दिया जाए. बस इतना ही होप उसको इतना ही था, वो इतना ही चाहता था कि उसको 3 महीने के लिए ब्लैक वेल्स आइलैंड प्रिजन में डाल दिया जाए. 3 months, why did he want so? 3 months of food every day. He thought कि if he was put in the prison for 3 months, then 3 months food every day. 3 महीने उसको खाना फ्री में मिलेगा. And bed every night. Every night he would get bed also, 3 months safe from the cold north wind, and he could save himself from the cold weather, cold north wind also, and save from cops, and he could save himself from the cops, from the police also. So he thought it is the better thing that if he was put in jail for 3 months, then everything he could get in easy way, food, bed, and he could save himself from the cold wind also and from the police also. So this was his high hope only. He wanted to go into the prison for 3 months, and he thought that it is the easiest way to save himself from the cold wind. And this is what Soapy wanted wanted most in the world. So this only he wanted in the world. This was his hope. For years, Blackwell's Island had been his winter home. He was not planning it for first time. For 4 years, many times also he had been in the Blackwell's Island. And richer New Yorker made their plan to go to Florida or to the shore of Mediterranean Sea each winter. The richer New Yorker, like rich people, they wanted to go to Florida and some other places. But Swapi made his small plans for going to the island. But he made this plan to go to the island because he wanted to save himself from the cold wind. And now the time had come. Three big newspapers, some under his coat and some over his legs, had not kept him warm during the night in the park. And now he was feeling that the time had come, because he put some newspaper under his coat and some over his legs to save himself from the cold wind. But now he was feeling that it is not sufficient. So the time had come that he had to find a place to save himself from the cold wind. So Swapi was thinking of the island. So he was planning to go to the island, and he thought that it is the easiest way to save himself from the cold wind. There were places in the city where he could go and ask for food and a bed. So many places are there where he could save himself from the cold wind, and they can also help them. But these would be given to him. He could get bed, food, everything, but he could move from one building to another. But for this, at least he have to move from one building to another building. इतना तो उसको करना ही पड़ता कि एक building से दूसरी building जाना पड़ता. And he would be taken care of through winter. But he liked Blackwell's Island better. But he could save himself if he would go from one building to another building. If he would say his problem to the people, they will help him. But he thought but he has to move from one building to another building. So he thought कि Blackwell's Island is better. The prison is better for him. अगर उसको जेल में डाल दिया था तो वो the best thing. So Api's spirit was proud. If he went to any of these places, there were certain things he had to do. He thought कि if he would go into these places, so many things he has to do. सब उसको help मिल जाता, but he had to do so many things. In one or another way, he would have to pay for what they gave him. They gave him something, they helped him, they could help him, but he has to pay for them. In either he has to pay money or he has to do something. They would not ask for money. If he could not pay the money, then they would not ask him to pay money, but they would make him wash his whole body. But they can ask him to do some work for him, and they would ask him to wash their whole body. They would make him answer and questions. They would ask so many questions, and they would want to know everything about his life. They wanted to know about his everything about his life. But he thought that this is the best thing, that if he was put in the prison, then he could save himself from the cold wind. No, prison was better than that. So he thought no, prison was better than these all things. The prison had rules that he would have to follow. He would have to follow the rules of the prison. But in prison, a gentleman's own life was still his own life. But in prison, gentleman's life is still his own life. So, जो gentleman की life है वो gentleman की ही life होती. He has to follow the rule. But his life is his own life. And Swapi, having decided to go to island, at once began to move towards his desire. Now he was planning how could he go into the prison, because he had to do something against law, then only he could go into the prison. So he was planning. Uh, there were many easy ways of doing this. He was planning how could he go there. So many easy ways that he has to do. Then he could go into the prison. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he was thinking, and then he planned that this is the most easiest way, that he would go into the restaurant and he would take a dinner without paying any money. Then he would say that he had no money. After when he finished the dinner, then he would say that he had no money, and then a cop would be called and it would all be done very quietly, and then everything would be done very quietly. The cop would arrest him and he would be taken to a judge, and the judge would do the rest. When he would deny to pay the money, then the policeman arrest him, and he would put in front of the judge, and judge would put him into the jail. So he thought this is the easiest way, and through this he could go into the prison. Soapy left his seat and walked slowly up the Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. Then he planned something, and then he left his seat, and then he walked toward the Madison Square to the place where the place is called Broadway and Fifth Avenue. He went across this wide space and started north on Broadway. He stopped at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. Suddenly he saw a bright and large restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people in the best cloth appeared every morning. He thought that this is the place where he could get the best food, because the best food and the best people used to go there, and they could get the best food there. So he thought that this is the fine restaurant, and he could do what he wanted, he could do here. Soapy believed that above his legs he looked all right. Above his legs he was looking very all right, because he has worn torn shoes and trouser, but it is not below the it is not on the upper side. His face was clean, his coat was good enough. If he could get a table, he believed that success would be his. And if he would enter into the restaurant, then he is, because his face was clean, his coat was good, he had worn a good coat. If he could get a table, and he believed his that successfully, if he could get a table, then he thought ki above the table he was looking all right. So the success he could success would be his. The part of his that him that would be seen above the table would look all right. So above the table he was looking all right. The waiter would bring him what he asked for. And what did he ask for the waiter? They can bring him. He began and thinking of what he would like to eat in his mind. He could see the whole dinner. And then he began to think, because he had planned to go into the restaurant, so he began to think about the dinner, and then in his mind he had planned everything about the dinner. The cost of would not be too high. He did not want the restaurant people to feel any real anger, but the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter home. So he thought he planned the whole dinner in his mind, and but he also thought that cost should not be too high, because he didn't want to make the restaurant people really angry. So but he thought the dinner should be sufficient. It should be sufficient for his journey to the prison. But as Soapy put his foot inside the restaurant door, the head waiter saw his broken shoes and the torn clothes that covered his legs. But as he was about to enter into the restaurant, the head waiter, he saw his torn shoes and clothes, and he did not allow him to enter. Strong and ready hands turned Soapy around and moved him quietly and quickly outside again. And they did not allow him, and they turned him away from the gate. Soapy turned up Broadway. It seemed that this most easy way to the island was not to be his. And now he moved from turned off from the Broadway, and then he thought it is the easiest way to go to the prison, but it was not his. He must think of some other way. Then he planned to think some other way, that how could he go to the prison. At a corner of 6th Avenue was a shop with a wide glass window. And there, at the corner of the 6th Avenue, there he saw a shop which has wide glass windows, bright and electric lights, and it has bright and electric lights. So that means it was a big shop. Soapy picked up a big stone and threw it through the glass. Then suddenly he thought something, and he took a big stone and he threw it on the glass. means ki he broke the glass. People came running around the corner. When the people heard the noise, they came running there. A cop was first among them. A policeman was also there. Swapi stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. And when Swapi stood still because when he saw the cop, he smiled because he thought that now cop was going to arrest him, and his plan would be a successful plan. Where is the man that did that? Asked the cop. The policeman asked, who is the man who had done this? Don't you think that I might have done it? Swapi said Swapi. Then Swapi said to the policeman, don't think that I have done it. I have done this. I have broken the glass. He was friendly and happy. Friendly and happily he was saying this. What he wanted was coming towards him because he was very happy because he thought now he was going to be arrested by the policeman. But the cop's mind would not consider Swapi. But when the Swapi told himself that I have broken the glass, but the policeman did not consider that Swapi had broken the glass. Men who break windows do not stop there to talk to cops. He thought if he broke the window, he would not stop here to talk to cop. They ran away as fast as they can. The man who broke the window would not stop here to talk to any policeman. He would run away as fast as he could. And so the cop saw a man further along the street. At the same time, he saw a man. The policeman saw a man. He was running in the street and he ran after him. And then he left Swapi there and he ran after that person. He thought that the person who was running in the street had broken the window glass. So he ran after that person to catch him. And Swapi, sick at heart, walked slowly away. He had failed 2 times. And again Swapi was very sad because second time he was failed. Across the street was another restaurant. It was not so fine as the one on Broadway. There was another restaurant across the street. It was not very big as the Broadway. The people who went there were not so rich, and the people who used to go there, they were not so rich. Its food was not so good. Into this Swapi took his old shoes and his torn clothes. So the people who used to go there, they were not so rich, and the food was also not so good. So in this shop, Swapi, he entered with his torn shoes and clothes, and no one stopped him. No one stopped him there. He sat down at the table and was soon eating a big dinner. Then he sat down at the table and then he ordered for a big dinner, and he ate. He took a big dinner. When he had finished, he said that he had no money. When he finished his dinner, then he said to the waiters that I had no money. Get busy and call a cop, said Swapi, and don't you keep a gentleman waiting. Then he said to the waiters, you go and call the policeman. I am a gentleman, so you don't keep me waiting. No cop for you, said the waiter. Then the waiter said, no, for your type of person, there is no cop for you. We are sufficient for you. He called another waiter, and the 2 waiters threw Swapi upon his left ear on the hard street outside, and they threw him on the street. He stood up slowly, one part at a time, and beat the dust from his clothes. Then he stood up, and then he beat the dust from his clothes. And prison seemed only a happy dream. The island seemed very far away. Then he thought, prison will be a happy dream for me, and the island is very far away from him. A cop who was standing near laughed and walked away. There was a policeman also, but when he saw all these things, he laughed and he walked away. He did not arrest him. Swapi started moving again. Again he began to moving because he has to do something against the law. Then he wanted to be arrested. When he stopped, he was near several theatres. When he stopped there, then he found that there were so many theatres. In this part of the city, streets are brighter and hearts are more joyful than in other parts. The people are looking very happy here, and women and men in rich warm coats moved happily in winter air, and the people, men and women, they were in rich clothes and they were moving there happily. They were looking very happy, and a sudden fear caught Swapi. No cop was going to arrest him. Suddenly again he thought that no cop was going to arrest him because everything is looking all the people were looking very happy here. Okay, student, this is what we have explained today. It is sufficient for today. So tomorrow I will continue the chapter. You have to read the chapter. If there is any problem, you can ask me on my phone number. Okay, have a nice day.